Fieldwork comes with environmental risks and costs, energy consumption, flora and fauna damage, pollution and waste, and damage from sampling. As earth and environmental scientists, it's our duty to minimise the environmental impact of our research. A focus on minimising impact from the outset is key. Plan carefully to avoid unnecessary actions. Consider how to minimise data processing, travel and sampling, and justify any actions along the way. Do you really need to travel? Can a local collaborator conduct the work? Can you use remote methods? Do the samples already exist? How will you document your environmental impact? And is your practice aligned with sustainability principles? And consider low-impact ways to disseminate the results of your work. At conferences, can just one speaker travel to give a talk, and is virtual attendance possible? There are lots of things you can do once you're in the field too. Take public transport where possible. Limit direct plant, soil, rock and habitat disturbance. Have a personal waste management plan. Manage energy usage. Use solar or batteries. Minimise site access damage. And borrow or reuse equipment where possible. When it comes to sampling, the minimum requirement is to acquire the necessary permits. Check the import-export rules on government websites. Carry licenses and visas with you in the field. And record accurate provenance information. Where and when was each sample collected? What licenses or agreements applied to the sample? And how will you ensure long-term storage and access for others? Put environmental justice and advocating for developing in-country facilities at the forefront of your practice. Digging dating pits or trenches, make sure to have a plan for managing potential human and archaeological remains. With differing sampling and environmental expectations, careful management can help to avoid conflict within the field team. Here are some tips. Discuss ahead of time why minimising environmental impact is important to you and how you propose to do this. And take responsibility for the extra labour needed. Seek expertise from in-country collaborators to help shape your environmental strategies and empower field workers to question environmental practice in the field. Plus, there are a few more things that you can do to further minimise impact on your return. Reduced data processing and storage equals less energy consumption. Consider efficient and sustainable sample storage options. And continue to advocate for environmentally just usage of your research.